far enough south on the west side so that this is new territory. Let's check it out. Research or your Google mapping if you wish. Learn a little about this community. Let's check it out. There's a cabinet maker there. And the Pinesdale Fire Department. Wow, they got their own fire department. Interesting. Alright. There's a paved road. Should we try it? 18th Street, why not? Let's give it a shot. Go ahead and guess that's the school. It turns to dirt. Let's go back and find some more paved. Back to Main Street. Alright, so we got a dirt road straight ahead. Here we have Sheathman Creek Road. We can give this a shot. Road work ahead. Oh, sure looks like it needs it. Well, a big thank you to these folks here for covering the potholes. Much appreciated. Beautiful neighborhood if you like isolation. I really don't so much. Well, I do in bursts. Short bursts. I mean, look ahead, shit. Just trees for, I was gonna say miles, but maybe about a kilometer. You really do want to take this road slow if you're on two wheels because there is a lot of potholes to navigate. There's a nice new home that somebody's building. How'd you like to live there? Honest answers in the comments. Could you take the isolation or do you dream of it? Or are you like, no way, keep me in the city? You can sure as hell have a nice party there, I tell you. No matter where you're from. I'm assuming we're still in Pinesdale, but I don't have the GPS on, so I really don't know. Going off a sense of direction. Living on the edge. Still just beautiful homes. Custom and nestled in the forest and the trees. Here we have Appian Way, in case you're Google mapping any of this. We're coming up on Lone Mill Creek Road. Now, should I go straight or should I go right? Let's go right. Why not? Oh, here we go. Speed limit 40. And open her up. Dutch Hill Road. We're gonna go ahead and make a left here. See how close we are to the main highway. We're learning as we go. Is there any other way? As suspected, we came out near the highway, right by the Conoco. The other Conoco, actually, this is on the north end, which has my ethanol-free fuel. Unfortunately, I don't need gas right now, so we're gonna take a nice trip down the highway. What do you think? Well, shall we check the river today? Why the hell not? Where to next? Shall we call it a day, take a break, or ride on, find life's adventures? It's all about the journey. So let's journey.